Ever had a mango tell you how to live your best life? Or a potato explain why it's the king of energy? No. Well, you are about to today. I am showing you the secret sauce to making anything talk, from fruit to furniture, using Grok AI. This isn't just for fun. These talking 3D characters are absolute gold for making education and social media growth. Imagine your products literally selling themselves, or your health tips coming from the ingredients themselves. It's weird, it's funny, and it's 10 over 10 for engagement. I have designed 10 unique Pixar style characters, from a wise ginger root to a sassy pineapple, and I am giving you the exact prompt to recreate them. I'll show you how to add the eyes, the mouth, and most importantly, how to make them speak with a personality that matches your benefits. Ready? Turn your kitchen into a movie studio. Grab your notepad, because I am opening my laptop right now to show you the step-by-step workflow. Let's head over to Grok and get started. I first come to my Gemini AI, where I get my prompt, okay? I will get this prompt here, how to generate the image of a coffee maker. I will head over to Grok AI. Remember, I always start from Imagine. You come to Imagine, you see this amazing interface. I have my aspect ratio set at 16.9 image. Remember, we're generating image. So I come over here, I paste my prompt, okay? Let's generate our image, because we need our image and convert it to video and make it talk. So if you already have a picture or any image you want to make talk, that is awesome, okay? Due to the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be making do with the first image, okay? We have couples of amazing coffee making machine images here. Awesome image here. So I'll work with this first one. I'll move over to my Gemini AI to get another prompt that will add the eyes, mouth, and make it talk. Remember, the first image we have here is just amazing, good-looking coffee making machine. It doesn't have eye, no eyeballs, no mouth. So right here, let's add up our second prompt. Remember, you are free to copy my prompt or ask a question. Drop prompt on the comment section. Let me know the prompt you want. I'll get it across to you. All right. So right now we have this lovely with eyes, mouth. So let's convert it to video. Okay. Remember, this is what we had earlier. The coffee machine. Okay. Nice one. And here we have the mouth. We have two. This is one. This is the second one with a smiley look. This is another one with kind of surprise. And this is a smiling look. So anyone you feel like, you can click on this button here that says make video. You are converting the image to video. All right. And while it's converting, we already have a prompt on the benefits and the use of coffee machine. From my prompt there, you see benefits/use. I'll copy this prompt, head over to Grok. While waiting for it, we'll just drop this prompt here. You can drop anything and make the item talk and say that. All right. Just give it a few seconds. It will pick up. It will convert to video, talk, and it will be amazing.
Morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee. It's brewing now. Can't wait.
Whoa.
Almost
You can see the reaction. You can see the flow.
Time to brew some fresh coffee.
The smoke.
It's brewing now. Can't wait. Almost ready. Perfect.
Perfect.
Good morning. To brew some fresh coffee.
So you can tell the coffee making machine what to say.
Morning. to brew some fresh coffee.
I want to give another prompt.
Almost ready. Perfect. Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee. It's brewing now. Can't wait. Almost ready. Perfect. Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee. It's brewing now. Can't wait. Almost ready. Perfect. Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee. It's brewing now. Can't wait. Almost ready. Perfect. Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee. It's brewing now. Can't wait. Almost ready. Perfect. Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee. It's brewing now. Can't wait. Almost ready. Perfect. Good morning. Time to brew some fresh.
So right here, we have a prompt we placed earlier where we say the usage of the benefits.
Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee.
You can tell the image, the video, what to say.
Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee. It's brewing now. Can't wait. Almost ready. Perfect. Good morning. Time to brew some fresh coffee.
Kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, if you find what we do here interesting.
Your morning motivation. Brewing fresh, aromatic coffee in minutes for energy and focus.
Morning motivation. Brew fresh, aromatic coffee.
For energy and focus.
Amazing voice, amazing item here.
Brewing fresh, aromatic.
So this is our number one coffee making machine here. We have another one to generate. Let's get to my second.
Your morning motivation.
Let's get to my second prompt, okay? This prompt is a ceramic mug. Mug we use at home, cup we use at home. Let's generate this cup. You come over to Grok, click on imagine, paste your prompt here. Paste your prompt. It will give you amazing thousands of mugs image here. Due to the tutorial purpose, we'll be picking the first picture here. I'm trying not to make this video so long, all right? You can take your time and decide the one you want, okay? Let me add up a prompt that will add up the eyes, mouth, and make it look interesting. Remember, this is our image, mug image we have. This is a mug image. So right now we are trying to add it or spice it up, make it have eyes and mouths. You can use this to advertise your product. You can use it to sell any product you want. Imagine having fruits, pineapple talk to you, mango talk to you, avocado pear talk to you. It's amazing. It's blowing up social media right now. This is the image. We have one here. We have the second one. So anyone that works well, I think I'll go for this. You click on make video. Click on make video. While it's converting to video, we'll come and get the benefit and use here, okay? Benefit and use. Let me know on the comment section if you will be trying this. What business will you like to advertise with this type of idea? What products will you love to sell? Are you a car dealer? You have a showroom where you sell cars. Imagine having Lamborghini talk to you. Imagine having amazing cars, Rolls Royce talk to you, Shanghai cars talk to you, Toyota Camry, Lexus, BMW talk to you. Just imagine that having any item talk to you with amazing, lovely marketing skills, okay? So let me know if you will be trying out this on your next video. You can monetize this.
There.
Hello there.
So much fun.
So much fun. Okay, let me give it a prompt on what to say. The perfect vessel for your favorite hot or cold drinks. It's durable, holds heat well, and adds a touch of comfort to your day. That is the next prompt I just dropped. So let's watch it say that. If you are new to my channel, I create amazing content with AIs, how you can make money with AIs, how you can use AI to generate wonderful things, okay? So if you love what we do here, feel free
to subscribe, click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. I still remain Anthony Ulu.
The perfect vessel for your favorite hot or cold drinks.
Lovely.
It's durable, holds heat well, and adds a touch of comfort to your day.
Whoa.
The perfect vessel for your favorite hot or cold drinks. It's durable, holds heat well, and adds a touch of comfort to your day.
This is
the perfect
awesome,
vessel
okay?
For your favorite hot or cold drinks. It's durable, holds heat well, and adds...
Let's get this started. I don't know what you are waiting for. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Watch other of my amazing videos where I made a video where you use one picture to create cinematic long form movies. Consistent characters, amazing background, Netflix standard movies. So watch the masterclass on this channel and drop your feedback, comments on the comment section. See you guys on the next one. Cheers.